All right, peeps. Today we're talking about something that's kind of new. They're called stem and leaf plot, or stem and leaf plots. I'm going to be honest with you guys straight off the top. There's not a lot of times that you're going to see these or use these in real life. I'm the math teacher, and I haven't even really used these since middle school. They are fairly easy to understand, so I do want you guys to know how to understand them in case for some reason you do see them on the test or whatever. But if you never see them again after this, I would not really be surprised because there's not a lot of times that people use stem and leaf plots besides really for data. So y'all, what you're going to see on your stem and leaf plot is on one side you have a set of single digit numbers. Sometimes you have a 2-digit number at the very bottom if it's going to be on this side. And then on the other side you have multiple single digit numbers. And when you have multiple, they're always separated with comma on the same line. These are actually values that we're going to use for our data set. So if you look at this, everything that's on this row right here is going to start with the number 1. So what I have is 2 numbers here, but I don't have 4 and 8. Since both of these numbers should start with 1, this first number is 14. Then the second number is 1, 8, 18. On the next line, I have 2, 9, which is 29. And there's another one right after that, 2, 9, which means I have the same number in my group. That's another 29. After that, I have 3, 0, that's 30. 3, 5, 35. And 3, 6 is 36. So really, the stem and leaf plot is just a different way to write your data. So I had 14, 18, 29, 29, 30, 35, 36. I wrote them as 14, 18, 29, 29, 30, 35, and 36. Y'all, if you can do that part of stem and leaf plot, that's pretty much all it is understanding what that means. After that, all you're going to do is answer whatever questions they ask you. So if they ask you to find the median, well, look, my numbers are in order already. Low and high, low and high, low and high. One number in the middle would be my median. If I need to find my mode, what's the number that's repeated most? So now that you know your numbers out, you could find the mode of that data. The range is the highest number minus the lowest. 36 minus 14 would be 22. And to find your mean, you would add them all up. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I would add all these numbers up and divide by 7. I'm not going to show you the mean right now, though, because we've practiced that before. So please, y'all, the main thing is understanding how the stem and leaf plot works. I want to show you guys one more example. I'm going to pause it and write up a new stem and leaf plot. So let me show you this last example, and then we're going to go ahead and do the questions. All right, in this example, y'all, I just wanted to show you that the numbers don't always go in direct chronological order. Even though these are in order from least to greatest, the number on the left side, or it's also called your stem side, I forgot to say that in the last part. The numbers on your stem side don't always go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, but no matter what number you have here, remember that's always the first number of your data point. So this is 2, 4. This first number is 24. And this one would be 4, 5. That's 45. Then you have 5, 7, 57. 5, 8, 58. And the last 3, 90, 91, and 93. So y'all, hopefully that's pretty easy for you guys to understand. Like I said, look at the stem. That's the first number. The leaf is going to be your second number. If for some reason we got all the way down to 10 and we have a 3 here, then my next number would be 10, 3, which is 103. Chances are you're not going to see too many questions like that, y'all. There might be one on the STAR test if there's any. Please make sure you guys do this assignment. It should be a very easy grade for you guys. If you have any questions, please send me an email. Thanks, guys.